Hi unicorns, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjali. If you're new here, I highly recommend you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button if you're into any makeup routines, skincare tutorials, anything beauty basically, and story times. I will provide that for you. So I've been uploading pretty consistently every Wednesday and Sunday for sure for Skincare Sunday. In today's video, we're actually doing Skincare Sunday because it's a well-deserved, much-needed skincare Sunday. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Buxom Powerful Plump Lip Scrub and the lip balm as well. They were actually so kind as to send me all three of them, which the lip balms come in two different colors, and then this is a lip scrub. It's called Dragon Fruit, and I'm gonna be reviewing the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial Mask. She looks something like this. Hello, greetings. So I'm gonna give you my full opinion, my full thoughts on what I think about this mask. So if you're interested in that, then just keep watching the video and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So this is technically like a first impression Skincare Sunday video. You know, if it's Ole Henriksen, we gotta do the full Ole and put on our Ole headband. I already told you guys that if you see me wearing this headband in the channel, you already know what's up. We're reviewing Ole and we're getting down to business. I look like I just ran a marathon or something. So we're gonna take off our lashes because we don't want to lose them first of all. So we're gonna put them back in the box where they belong. I'm sorry if my voice is a little weird. I actually am a little bit sick, you know. Next up, I'm using the DHC cleansing oil. This is my favorite oil ever. So I'm gonna get 2 pumps of the DHC cleansing oil. And then I like to rub this in between my hands and just do that. And then rub your lashes together. Now I applied makeup all the way down to my neck, so I'm bringing it down there. Now that your face is completely gross, you're gonna go in with a pad to remove that. And I'm just gonna apply some water to my face, so I'm using the Evian facial spray. And then I'm just using that to remove everything. These are just regular cotton rounds. And the black that I applied to my eyes is actually really strong. You guys will see in my makeup tutorial for how to create a smoky eye. Because I have so much makeup on, I actually always like to go in the shower after I do this. So I will go in with my Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin, which is this guy right here. And this is what the cotton rounds look like. I threw one away already, sorry, but this is what 2 of them look like. I didn't use the back side because that side is more fluffy and I didn't want the hairs to get in my eye. I would usually go in with my makeup eraser. That's what I always use. If you guys watch Skincare Sunday, you know that. The black that I put on is so intense. I didn't want to mess up the makeup eraser and have it get like stained or ugly or just messed up in general. So that's why I went in with these disposable ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face one more time. You want to make sure your face is wet like that. Going in with my cleanser. So I'm just gonna hop in the shower to remove everything else, literally. That was just like 1 layer of makeup removed. I usually wash my face like 3 times at least in the shower, so that's what's about to go down in the shower. And then once I come back, I will review everything.
2 hours later.
So the first product we're going to use is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial, and it looks like that. It just comes with a little pump. So that's really cute. I've actually used it before already. It says you're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes and use 2 times per week, day or night. And this mask is an exfoliant and it illuminates your skin, which are 2 things that I love. It has PHAs and Nordic birch sap. The polyhydroxy acids help retexturize. And this one-step massage activated facial targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin, making it the ultimate get ready with me. Essential for a party ready, no filter necessary Oola Glow. Hashtag Oola Glow. Period. So it kind of looks like nudish, but you're supposed to like massage it into your skin, so don't go in with a skincare brush if you have one. I don't have any. I kind of looked at this and the texture told me go in with your hands, so that's what I did. But when you apply it, it looks like that. And what I like is that you have full control over it. Definitely looks peachy if you ask me. Once you start massaging it in there, it starts turning kind of like a white tone. It definitely feels goopy though. And I just used 2 pumps, but that pretty much went well all around my face. Alright, so while that mask sets and dries and does the effect, I just want to say that it doesn't feel like anything on your skin. If I'm being honest, like it doesn't feel tight, it doesn't feel like it's pulling, it just doesn't feel like anything is on your skin, if I'm being honest. So it's definitely a very comfortable mask if you're not one of those that enjoys when a mask feels tightening or when it feels itchy. Like there's a lot of masks that do that. This one doesn't feel like anything, so that won't be a problem for you if you are one of those that are very picky towards that side of a mask. We're gonna multitask today. So Buxom actually sent over their powerful lip scrub, and I'm so excited to be showing this to you guys. I actually literally received it today, like a couple of hours ago, and I thought what a perfect time to review them while I do my skincare. I want to show you guys the little paper they sent me. So it says, still the same plumping power and hydration the Buxom Babe loves. Now in the new tints inspired by our best-selling gloss shades. Meet Dolly Fever and Inner Glow. 2 new shades of our plumping moisturizing tinted lip balm that react to the pH level of your lips, blooming to your very own custom shade. These are actually $18. They're available at Buxom Cosmetics, Ulta Beauty, Macy's, Nordstrom, and Amazon. That's amazing. You don't even gotta leave your house, girl. Like, go get it on Amazon. If you're one of those that are like me and you don't like to leave the house at all, homebody the house, go order it on Amazon, get it shipped to your house in 2 days. Easiest trick ever. And who doesn't need hydrated lips? Like, I know I do. What I'll be going in with are 2 different ones, and I'm gonna go in with the powerful lip scrub. So it says, introducing Buxom Cosmetics' first ever lip scrub. Prep lips with this dragon fruit inspired tropical scented conditioning lip scrub stick that gently exfoliates lips by removing dry skin to reveal smooth, even looking lips. Formulated with nourishing papaya seed oil and conditioning mango seed butter. This mess-free first step pampers lips and leaves them ready for color. These are also $18 and available at Buxom Cosmetics and Ulta Beauty. So I'm not sure if the scrub is actually available everywhere else, but I will definitely check and probably link them down below so you guys can go ahead and get them. So they came in a box like this. So this is the shade Inner Glow, Dolly Fever in the middle, and the Dragon Fruit Scrub towards the end, right there. So I'm gonna go in with the lip scrub first, and this definitely does look like dragon fruit. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a dragon fruit before. They're not that cute, let me tell you, okay? But it looks something like that, and you can see like the little seeds in there, which is pretty cool. Okay, so my first thoughts on this, it looks kind of like a white cast, but it kind of is like what the white part is. My first thought is you have to break through the layer first because it does have like a white layer on top. So keep going in there until you feel that scrubby feeling and until you see these guys right there, because that's what's going to create the scrub effect. And you will definitely feel it on your lips. It won't feel like a lip balm, but definitely like a scrub. So I'm gonna get a wipe and just remove that. So my lips definitely feel like all of that dead skin has come off, which is exactly what we wanted. And they feel really smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I actually really like that. And what I like about it the most is that it doesn't feel harsh like a lot of lip scrubs do. It feels very soft, but it still does the effect that it's supposed to do. So we stand a product that actually does what it says it does. I actually really like this color, so I'm going in with the Buxom Inner Glow, which is a nudish peach type. And these are supposed to plump your lips as well, so I think it might be doing that already. I kind of want to try on the other one just to see how it looks, so I'm going to remove this one and apply the next one. So my lips currently don't have anything on them, and I'm going to go in with Dolly Fever. So see, while I finished reviewing that, my timer went off for the mask, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this with some cotton round. So I'm using my Evian facial spray. Again, I do want to remind you guys that this felt like nothing on my face. Absolutely nothing, literally. So as far as the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial, I really like it because it does give you a glow, I'm not gonna lie. And it takes away a lot of the texture on your skin. It feels really refreshing, but I like that it doesn't strip away any of your oils or anything like that, because when you apply a regular mask that completely dries on your face, it feels like you're literally ripping your skin off when you take it off. But with this, it stays creamy the whole time and the whole way through, and never completely dries to a point where like it peels off or anything like that. So I really enjoy the fact that it doesn't dry, it just stays creamy on your face. So I really enjoy that, and the fact that it does what it says, it exfoliates and removes any texture on your skin while giving you a glow, is exactly what I wanted. And I think you guys might actually enjoy this mask a lot if you're looking for any of those to revive your skin, remove texture, and give your skin a glow. Go ahead and buy it because it's totally worth it. The next product I'll be using on my face is one of my holy grails and my favorite. It's a Bliss Glow and Hydrate Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm running out and I'm kind of sad about it. This helps to plump up your skin. Actually helped with my acne a lot, which was absolutely crazy to me. And I'm gonna use I forgot to apply this beforehand, but I'm gonna apply it now. This is a Bliss Toner Mist, and it's a Rose Gold Rescue collection. Then I'm gonna go in with my Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and this is also my favorite. This does help with brightening, but what I really need is something to take away all the redness on my face. So as far as the lip products from Buxom, I actually really recommend it, and the lip scrub felt amazing and it actually did its job. But as far as the lip balms, I recommend them, especially if you're someone who's on the go. You can just throw this in your purse and it gives you a little bit of a plump on your lips while giving you some color and hydration at the same time. So without having the goopy feeling of a lip gloss, you can easily wear this and just keep it going. That is it for today's Skincare Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can get notified every time that I post, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Skincare Sunday. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video, which will appear right here.